AICTE अगेन मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट बॉडी है. सो इसका फुल फॉर्म है ऑल इंडिया काउंसिल फॉर टेक्निकल एजुकेशन. इट वाज एस्टेब्लिश्ड एट एन एडवाइजरी बॉडी इन 1945 नवंबर and its get statutory status in 1987 by the Act of Parliament, and the Act name is AICTE Act 1987 and came into force 1988. तो AICTE से रिलेटेड ये सारे डेट्स हमें याद रखनी है. सो AICTE इज अ नेशनल लेवल बॉडी, अ नेशनल लेवल काउंसिल फॉर टेक्निकल एजुकेशन अंडर डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ हायर एजुकेशन, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन. सो AICTE का हेडक्वार्टर न्यू दिल्ली में है and AICTE functions under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. So when AICTE was established in 1945 as an advisory body, then its role was, तब उसका ये रोल था कि mainly to advise central government and state government on the development of technical education in India. After getting statutory status, AICTE is responsible for proper planning and coordinated development of technical education and management education system in India. So AICTE is also responsible for formulation and maintenance of norms standards for technical education in India, and AICTE mainly deals with technical education, management education, and including so many areas like architecture, management, engineering and technology तो है ही, hotel management and catering technology, computer application, and so many areas. So main objective of AICTE is to ensure proper planned development, coordination of technical education, maintenance of norms and standard of technical education, quality improvement of technical education, regulation of technical education, and promotion of innovation research in the field of technical education. So major functions है AICTE का कि planning, coordinating and integrated development of technical education, and approval of institution and programs, and improving the quality of technical education. So and it encourage research and innovation in technical education. So AICTE promotes programs for training, professional development of teachers and technical professionally, means people who have specialized technical knowledge, skills and training to perform technical work. So AICTE monitors institutes and their compliance with prescribed norms and standards, and it encourages stronger cooperation between technical institutes in the industry. So this is all about AICTE. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, पेपर में इसके फुल फॉर्म आते हैं, ईयर ऑफ एस्टेब्लिशमेंट आते हैं, और स्टैट्यूटरी स्टेटस कब मिला था ये भी आते हैं. सो ऑल दीज आर मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. सो इस तरह से आपको अपने नोट्स में एड ऑन करना है. सो एडिट योर नोट्स. थैंक यू.